Don't worry. You got me right now.
Hey, what's the question mo? Dito ka lang sa lang.
Yeah, you're gonna have what? What are you gonna be for Halloween? Billy's gonna remain Tinkerbell. Gabby has outgrown her Jasmine costume, so she's gonna be a bee.
How about
But
her
she still
hippie
wants to
costume?
be a fairy. I got most of the fairy costumes I've been seeing, except for the adult ones. Are from 46X. So I haven't found anything interesting. 7, 8 will be pushing it. It'll be short in here. So hindi ko nakapagod sa lahat. So I want to get her ano masusunod mo sa kanila? What are you guys gonna dress them?
Huh? Well, she's gonna be Mother Nature, go be an immigrant hiding.
It's so bad.
Because I got a rice paddy hat and a black jogging outfit.
Achoo!
Ayun na, allergy. Hindi yung immigrant.
Or 1975, whatever the war was.
The sampan or the boat that accompanies the rice paddy hat.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can just have it wrap around your waist.
We can go her. Go for flowering dress.
Nangangat siguro ang gilagid. Lisa, nangangat siguro ang gilagid. Ginagano niya.
You did? Anong gagawin mo sa kanila?
Did you vomit on me? That's part of the game. That's part of it.
Oh, cute!
Ladybug, flower, and what? Oh,
Napaupo siya doon sa kanto.
iyakin naman. Ay, bakit kaya ko'y nana? Nana ka sa nana.
Ayaw sa mga bakit.
Napaupo siya doon sa kanto nung ano eh.
Kanto ng gulong.
Hindi. Yung kanto nung upuan. Si Denise siya. Kaya ako diba sinabi niya nga may mag-donate sa kapatid niya.
He came through. So 2,500.
2,500. He just keeps
2,500?
trying to say 2,500.
Ay, naku pa tayo, sali na tayo.
Second place. Hindi mo gusto mo naman ang second place. Ow, ow. Red dog eat eyes. Okay? Red dog eat eyes. Huh? Gusto mo? Yeah.
Ano pangalan mo?
Ito pangalan mo?
Ano?
Ako, pangalan ko. Billy, ano pangalan ko? Ano pangalan ko?
Inday.
Ano pangalan ko?
Inday Panda.
Mama. Ano pangalan ni Mama? John, okay. Hello? Hello? Ito, sino to? Billy.
Papa.
Sino
Anong
to?
pangalan ni Papa?
Ano pangalan ni Papa?
Sunday.
Inday.
John din, okay.
Ito si Inday. Billy. 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 Billy.
Take it
Ito
out.
si Inday.
Finish it.
Inday. Badiday.
Billy, si Inday, anong pangalan?
Ito si Inday.
Ano pangalan ni Inday?
Ano pangalan ni Daday?
Panda.
Ano pangalan ni Inday mo?
Bangga.
Ha?
Uy. Langgana. Ano?
Ano pangalan ni Inday mo?
Justin.
Ano sa
Put it out.
Tubig ako, mahal. Please.
Ipit ka ha.
Ano yan ito eh.
Arn, meron pa isa.
Oh, salamat po. Ay, salamat. Salamat po. Thank you. Ninong, thank you. Tawagin mo si Mama. Anong pangalan ni Mama? Anong pangalan ko?